Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature to a PDF completely free online. No downloads and no installations needed. Let's begin. First, open up your favorite browser and go to Google search bar. Look for PDF or Adobe PDF online. Hit enter and click on this first search result. From here, I want you to scroll down until you see a section for sign and protect. Click this, try for free. Now select your file, then I'm going to select mine over here. You may be prompted to create a free Adobe Acrobat account. Go ahead, sign up, or you can quickly connect using your Gmail, Facebook, or other social accounts. Once you log in and your document is loaded up on the screen, you can now add your signature. From here, I want you to scroll down and select the exact spot where you need to place your signature. For example, over here, and then just click on, make sure you're on the e-sign portion or section, and this will pop up on your left panel. Click on edit your signature. You have the option to type your signature, draw it over here. All right, so you can draw it or select an image from your PC. For example, I'm going to select this, right? Just make sure to hit save, and you can always switch back to draw and type. So we will select the typing option, click save, and you can now place this on the box field. You can even resize this according to your preference. And once done, click here, download this PDF, and then click on download PDF again. And there you go. You have now successfully downloaded your PDF and you can now view it on your PC. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.